Hello everybody and a happy Monday to you. Here are the kind of the plans for the day and a little glimpse of how to do it. So, basically every day I need you to hop on and watch these videos so that way you guys know what you're up to and stuff like that. So today, the first thing you're going to be doing today is you will be practicing solving system equations by doing a worksheet, okay? The worksheet will look like this. And it's what we've been practicing in class. I'm going to show you a couple of examples of how to do it. Okay, so we're going to solve the following systems by substitution. That means we're going to take what we know and plug it into the other one, right? So y equals 2. So in the first equation, we have 2 times x plus 8 times y. But y equals 2, so now it becomes 8 times 2, which equals 20. And now we can do the math. That becomes 2x plus 16 equals 20. And then we can solve it. Subtract 16. 2x equals 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the answer is x equals 2 and y equals 2 to that first one. Let's try this next one for you. So here we say x equals 5 and then 2x plus y equals 10. So on the graph, like x equals 5 looks like that. Oh, sorry, that's actually wrong. X equals 5 will look like this, right? So on the graph it'll look like this. And then the other line's going up, probably doing something like that. And at some point they're going to touch, and we're trying to figure out where. So we're going to take the x equals 5 and we're going to plug it in right here to the other equation. So now 2x becomes 2 times 5 plus y equals 10. Well, 2 times 5 is 10, plus y equals 10. I subtract 10 from both sides, I get y equals 0. So x equals 5 and y equals 0 is our answer. Now, these next ones get a little bit trickier because they have some more numbers. For example, we'll do this one. X equals 4y. So we're going to plug that into here, right? And we're going to do some math. So now x plus 16 times y becomes 4y plus 16y equals 20 because the x equals 4y. 4 plus 16, that becomes 20y equals 20. 20 divided by 20 is 1. So the answer is y equals 1, but we're halfway there. X equals 4 times whatever y is. Well, 4 times 1 is 4, so x equals 4. I'll show you another example here. Y equals x plus 9. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to put it right in there, okay? So 4x plus y becomes 4x plus x plus 9 equals 19. Well, 4x and x is 5x plus 9 equals 19. I'm going to subtract 9. 5x equals 10 divided by 5. X equals 2. But we're not done. There's two answers. X equals 2. Well, we know that y equals whatever x is plus 9. Well, if x is 2, 2 plus 9 is 11. Y equals 11 when x equals 2. Okay? You keep trying those. Now, after that, if we go back to here, after that it says, follow your online Desmos activity using the code 3JUZST, right? So if we go here to the Desmos activity, the code is 3JUZST, you hit join. Okay, and we're going to do that. It's called system. My name is Howard. All right, I hit go. You sign in with Google, please. It says type an ordered pair on this point. Well, it looks like a point at, I don't know, 0, 9. So parentheses 0, 9. And then you hit share with class and stuff like that, and we kind of move on. Now look here, an ordered pair that is a solution to this. So something plus 2. So for example, if I put in an 11 plus 2 will spit out a 13. There's all sorts of numbers you can pick, right? All sorts of numbers. And now we look at this. Here's an ordered pair plotted at a point together with a linear line. If you can't see your point, maybe you didn't type it correctly, or maybe it's outside the graph. Is your ordered pair on the line? Mine is on the line. Yes, that is correct. And explain how you know and stuff like that. Okay, pretty simple, easy answers. For example, if I say 2, 5 is the solution, well, if I plug in 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. Not 5, that's wrong. So you got to explain your reasoning and stuff like that. When you're done with that, You're then going to go to IXL and practice some math. It's called Solving Systems of Linear Equations. Looks like this. So there's a link on this page, and it says solve the system by graphing. First graph the equation, then type the answer. So you have these two equations, and you're going to graph them. So down here, you click which one you're doing. I'm clicking the 1/3 x plus 4. So that means I start at 4, and then I go up 1 over 3. Right? Up 1 over 3. So now I click on the other one, -3 minus 5 over 6x. So I start at -3, then I go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look, they crisscross right over here at the point -6, 2. So the solution is -6, 2. Submit. Awesome. And you do it again. Start at 7, up 3 over 5. Make sure you're turning on which graph you're doing, otherwise it'll make it say you're wrong. 75% mastery score is required there. So that's your first day. Do the worksheet, practice the IXL, and do the Desmos, stuff like that. Here's all your codes, first thing, second thing, third thing. Thanks, guys.